mounting, power supply, and eConf access. In this video, we'll cover how to connect the power supply to ePower Control, mount the ePower Control, and access the Elim configuration platform, eConf. This video is divided into 5 sections. Required materials. Wiring the power supply. Mounting Elim's device. Configuring the LAN port. Accessing the configuration platform, eConf. Part 1. Required materials. For this, we will need Elim's device, a flathead screwdriver, electrical wires, black for negative, yellow-green for ground, red for positive, a laptop, RJ45 to RJ45 Ethernet cable. For configuration purposes, a power supply that can deliver the following: a UPS, optional. Part 2. Wiring Elim's device to the power supply. For the power supply, start by connecting the AC mains to the connector, A. Then, connect the phase wire to the phase terminal, L. Connect the neutral wire to the neutral terminal, N. Connect the ground wire to the ground terminal. Connect the load to terminals 1 and 2, paying attention to the polarity. Ensure the mains voltage is within the specified range. Now that the power supply is properly connected, we will proceed with connecting Elim's device to the terminal blocks. On the terminal blocks, connect the power supply wires for Elim's device, red for positive, black for negative. Now, we will proceed with connecting power to Elim's device. The power input terminal block is situated on the top side panel. Remove the power terminal block connector for easier cable wiring. For that, loosen the screws on the power terminal block connector using a flathead screwdriver. Gently pull on the power terminal block to remove it. On the power terminal block, connect the positive cable, red, to the V positive pin. Connect the negative cable, black, to the V negative pin. Using bootlace ferrules is recommended here, as they provide a more reliable and secure connection by preventing fraying and ensuring proper contact. Verify that all cables are securely connected to the power terminal block connector. Reconnect the power terminal block to the Elim device, with V positive at the bottom and V negative at the top. For grounding, insert the cable into the grounding screw location. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the grounding screw. Gently remove the screw and keep it nearby to avoid losing it. Use an insulated crimp ring terminal to connect the ground wire to its designated location. Grab the grounding wire from the power terminal block, ensure it is properly stripped, and insert it into the insulated end of the crimp ring terminal. Use the wire crimper to secure the ground wire into the crimp ring terminal, ensuring it is properly inserted and tightened. Place the ring terminal on the grounding point of Elim's device and insert the grounding screw into position. Use a flathead screwdriver to tighten the grounding screw. Part 3. Mounting Elim's device. The ePower Control includes a DIN rail mounting kit. Attach the DIN rail bracket to the back of Elim's device using 4 screws and tighten them to secure the bracket. To install Elim's device on the DIN rail, first insert the upper lip of the DIN rail into the upper hook of the DIN rail mounting kit on Elim's device. Then, use a screwdriver to pull down the latch on the mounting kit until it snaps into place. Slightly shake the unit to check the locking action. Once all cables are properly connected and the device is securely mounted on the DIN rail, power it up by activating the circuit breaker. The power LED should light up solid green, indicating that the ePower Control is now powered and ready for configuration. Part 4. Configuring the LAN port. eConf is Elim's configuration tool. It can be accessed locally without an internet connection, as well as remotely through our monitoring platform, ePower Monitor, EPM. Connect your laptop to the LAN port 4 of Elim's device. When properly connected, the LED should start blinking, indicating a valid connection. Access the settings from your laptop. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Go to Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on Connection to the local network. Select Properties. Click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Select Properties. Select Obtain an IP address automatically to enable automatic IP address allocation, or select Use the following IP address for manual IP address assignment and enter the settings as shown in the next window. A small TCP/IP window will appear. Click on Yes. Then click on OK to save configuration. Part 5. Accessing the configuration platform. eConf. Open your preferred browser and log into eConf by entering the following IP address: 192.168.4.127. The following window should appear. You can now begin configuring the device. Please feel free to contact Elm support or your sales managers. Eager to see you in our next training session.